Hello, swing trading evening daily routine. So for the daily routine, at the end of the day, you pull your daily transaction history from your brokerage account and you save it. You can download it as a CSV file and save it for your recording, for your record, and you use that to record your swing trade, your purchases, your stock purchases, your stock sold, and any dividend you earn. You record those in your swing trading spreadsheets, and then you analyze stocks to take note of stocks that the next day you reanalyze again to see if they still meet your swing trading strategy for you to purchase them. So we are going to follow those 3 steps to perform our swing trading evening daily routine. First, I like to do our record keeping. Therefore, we have the transactions that we downloaded from our brokerage account, and I save a copy of it, and I have our swing trading spreadsheet open and working with one screen. I will try to minimize both sheets so that I can have them side by side. So I'll go to our daily entry tab. In one section we have our sales, and at the right we have the sold. So that we can calculate the profit for each stocks purchased and sold. So for November 19, 2024, we didn't purchase any stock. We sold 2 that has some profit, therefore we are going to record them, and there was some dividend income earned as well. So the first one sold was Walmart. So we have our stocks organized by alphabetical based on the symbol. So we'll follow that and go way to the W. And we are in the sales section of the spreadsheet. I like to start from there, even if that's a stock that I sold, so that I can take a look at when it was purchased and just follow that row. It was purchased on the 12th. I'll take the amount committed until it's sold. I like to write down the amount we purchased it at. So the 19th, 2024, it was sold, and the number of shares sold is 35, and the price per share 86.92. I like to copy that because sometimes it can be more than 2 decimal, so that I can capture the full amount. The fee is 0.09, and the profit is $55.21. So the next one is NVDA. We'll go to N. So it was purchased on the 18th. We'll take the commitment out of there. It was sold on the 19th. 20 shares. We'll copy the amount per share. You can see that this one is 4 digits after the decimal point. And the fee is 8 cents. And the profit is $138.92. We tend to calculate the profit rate as well. You can see sometimes the profit rate can be high, and we can go to Walmart one and check the profit rate there. %. So now that we recorded our two transactions, two swing trading transactions, we'll go to our dividend tab and we'll locate DHI, and this DHI, it is a dividend stock. No, it is a stocks we purchase for trading, but is negative in the account, and while it's waiting there, it's paying some dividend. And is 5.60. We can take a look at when we purchased it last time. It has not sold it yet. And have not sold it yet. We purchased it on September 23rd. And we have not sold it yet. And this is our swing trading record keeping that we perform. I'm just going to save our entry. And I like to date this one to pretty much to tell myself that I already record that one. And I will go to our swing trading record keeping spreadsheet, and I will check probably the monthly to just make sure my numbers are matching on it. Usually I just use the monthly one. I just want to make sure, because I'm tracking it two ways here, I like to make sure those two numbers are matching, and then I will just log out of it. So now that we have our transaction open, I will go to our stock master list to see those two that I try to sell today, to make sure I remove the highlight on those. Is NVDA and Walmart. The highlighted one are the one that I have not sold yet. They are in our portfolio. Okay, NVDA is not highlighted anymore, and Walmart is not highlighted anymore. Okay, then I can close the daily transaction history spreadsheet. Now I have the stock master list open, and the stocks that are not highlighted are the stocks that I'm going to analyze. The one that are highlighted already are the one that we are already having this in the portfolio, and having it in the portfolio, I'm not going to buy it again until I sold it. And the goal to sell it is just that we spent in average about $2,000 per trade, and when the profit reached about $25, we just sell it to lock in that profit. And as you can see, for those two that we recorded, I think Walmart one, the profit was what, $35 or $53, I'm not even sure. And the NVDA one was a little bit higher, over $100. So it varies, those profit varies because of the type of stocks we are trading. They are all large cap uptrend stocks. They do not fluctuate much. Therefore, the profits for a short period of time, the profit is not usually big. So the first one is AME. AME. And I'm using daily chart. We swing trade on daily chart, and the time frame here is 1 year. So we have 1 year daily chart, and those are stocks that master list is the master list that I just keep trading day after day. Therefore, I will use 1 year daily chart to do the analysis. And this one has the first green bar today. Yesterday that I analyzed it, but anyway, so it has the first green bar today. So I'm not going to add it to my list because I like to buy them at the first green bar. Unless I'm going to place the order early in the morning, then I will be able to, but I'm going to trade around noon. Therefore, it's not going to be added. I like to buy at the first green bar if that bar is well positioned. So we'll move to the next one. So the next one is APH. APH. So APH has the first green bar today as well. You can see the uptrend. We trade on the uptrend line. We buy and sell on one side of the swing whenever possible. When it's going up, we buy it and we sell it when it's still going up and reach our minimum profit. So we sell it within 3 days after purchasing it in average. But if we purchase it and it goes down, then we just keep it in the portfolio until it's profitable before we sell it. BKNJ. So BKNJ is, you can see the red bar there, and each bar is 1 day price bar. Daily activity is represented in each one of those bars. So today the price went down, so there is a pullback today. Therefore, I'm going to mark it red on our stock master list. So the next one is CAT. CAT. Okay, so CAT, let's see what is going on here. I'm not going to trace it because, well, I'm following the lows, and those lows here should be higher than the bottom one is what I'm following here. So it hit that, went back, and here, and so pretty much this one is the highest peak. Then we have this. So but it's already, the first green was today, so I just have to wait for that to continue that trend, fall back and start going up. We can buy it. So CL is going down. It's like in a downtrend here. Lows, the latest lows are lower than the previous one, and the latest high are lower than the previous high, so it's in a downtrend. We leave it alone. COR, we have an uptrend here, but COR is down, a pullback, and it will start going up. Let me see, this one is the highest point. Okay, so the fact that it's close to the, I don't pay attention to the earning, but when the earning is already paid, and it is when I'm going to analyze the chart, I tend to pay a little bit attention to it, because after the earning it could go up just like it could go down. So DECK, DECK. Okay, we have the first green bar, we have two green bars there. We will wait for that to pull back and start going up. You can buy it. So the next one is FI. FI, we have 2 or 3 green bars there, so it's already past the first bar, so we will leave it alone. Google, I don't know, it's trying to go back up. I'm seeing an uptrend here, but I'm seeing those mountain that you need to surpass, like this one for instance. You reach it twice, fell back and start going again, so you need to go past it, and we will see from there. We are not buying it long term, we are swing trading it. So otherwise you could buy it like last year for dividend purposes or so. We bought it around January or so, like in spring, and sold it around December for maybe 50% profit. Like let's say we bought it for $1,000, we sold it for $1,500 or so. So, and that is one strategy we use as well. Buy it close to 52 weeks low and sell it close to 52 weeks high. It's a little bit like position trading, but anyway, so this one pulled back, but let me see what is going on here. I'm seeing this mountain here that is lower than this one, so I'm going to wait for that to go past it first before we get back in it, just to make sure we are not starting a downtrend there. LEN, LEN seems to be in a downtrend on this area, so we will leave it alone. For some reason, when I'm doing this and talking, it's just I pay attention to certain things that when I'm just doing by myself, I quickly go through it, like it's like a reflex type things, so I don't have to pause and explain it and think about it. So MCK has some fluctuation here, and now it went back to this trend line, and we will see how it's going to go from there, but we are not going to mark it on our spreadsheet. So the next one is MRK. MRK is in a downtrend. NVDA that we sold, NVDA, we have 2 green bars, so rope, ROP is don't like those fluctuations. The next one is TRY, and TRY still has tendency to go down there. We won't do anything with it. URI, okay, URI, we have the first green bar already. We leave it alone. V has 3 green bars there. The next one, VRTX is a pullback, but we have, let's see, we have this one went up, and then that, well, you can see this low here is kind of lower than this, so I don't really know what is going on. We leave it alone. WMT Walmart. Okay, so Walmart, we have 1 green bar. We need to pull back before we get back in again, and that will be it. So that's how we analyze our swing, our stock chart for swing trading. So if I go back to see how many symbols we mark red, those are the ones that tomorrow I will analyze around noon. First, by going in our account to see there is something that met our minimum profit goal amount, the stocks that we purchased to swing trade, and then I will sell those after I analyze the chart. And when I analyze the chart, I will put the mark on it. When I'm selling it, I'll put the arrow upside down, and when I'm buying, I'll put the outside at the bottom of the price bar. And then I will open our stock watch list, this list, to see the stocks that are marked red, and I'll analyze them. And if I see the first green bar tomorrow, I will buy them. And that means today they are red. Red mean the price the stock market closed for that stock. When the market closed, the price of that stock was lower than the price it opened in the morning. So that means the price went down during the day. So when I have that pullback, I will mark it red on my spreadsheet, so that if tomorrow I have the first green bar, I will buy. We'll buy it when it start going up. So we have 1 here, 2, and I think those are the 2 that we mark to possibly purchase tomorrow. And we will just save our stock watch list. And that is what we do for our swing trading evening daily routine. And I'm planning of recording each time I'm going to do our swing trading daily routine. I'm planning of recording it and just publish it to share the process, how we are doing it. If you are interested of swing trading, and if there is some tips you can pick from it, that would be fine. So thank you so much for watching. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in asop.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways you can save money and different ways you can make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money outside of your job, where you trade your time for money. Thank you. And by the way, if you want to see more of this content, the playlist that I saved them in will be in the description, and it will be in the playlist will be on the screen at the end of the video as well. Thank you.